Welcome back to Lone Star Grills. Today we're making some delicious fire-roasted salsa on our beautiful Santa Maria Grill. For this recipe, you'll need 3 pounds of Roma tomatoes, 1 large white onion sliced into thirds, 2 jalapenos, 2 poblano peppers, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 7 cloves of garlic, and you can go more or less, 1/4 cup cilantro, 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a few shakes of our south of the border rub. Start by coating the tomatoes, onion, jalapenos, and poblanos with olive oil. Get those coated well and hit them up with a few shakes of our south of the border. Time to prep our Santa Maria for today's cook. Start by lighting a medium-sized fire. We're using a mixture of oak and hickory today. Allow it to preheat for just a few minutes, then get your tomatoes, peppers, and onions on the grates. Adjust your grate height and rotate these veggies as needed until you have a good char. You can then remove them from the grill, allow them to cool, remove the pepper stems, and then optionally remove some of that charred skin from the outside of the peppers and some of the seeds from the inside. This will help keep the spice tolerable and prevent bitterness. Now just get all that and all the remaining ingredients into a blender and blend up to your desired consistency. Don't forget to taste it to make sure you don't have to add a little more salt, and then serve it up just the way you like. If you have questions on any of our products at any time, give us a call or check out our links below. We'll see you on the next one.